Every day she shines, a smile so bright, sharing her journey, bringing love to life. From family moments to stories untold, guiding hearts gently with wisdom like gold. Lady Bliss, oh she